check it out. So now this is starting to look more like my bike and not just someone else's bike. So what I did was I cut all the decals off, the stock ones, as you could have seen, and made my own. I went with a light color because it's this black body. I wanted it to kind of pop. So I actually originally did lavender, like a light purple, but didn't have enough. So I went with this mint green. Just went with a nice script font that I found that I kind of like, and some touches with the with Benelli's original logo. So I did the 3 stars, and then down here on the fender, did cut out the lion with 3 stars as well. I also wrapped the forks in carbon fiber just to kind of complete the blacked out look. Although I did this earlier, and then I guess with the ride it started to peel up, so we'll see how long that lasts. I don't want to do it again. I'm not good at wrapping, and you can kind of tell in some of the details, and I don't want to do it again. So that's just going to stay on for as long as it decides to stay on. Let's see, and then finally, with the rims, it came with some rim tape, which I measured out so I can get the right dimensions, but I wanted to make them myself and kind of give it a tribute to the manufacturer. So I got the Italian flag kind of segmented out there, but I do recognize that this is a Chinese built bike, so on the other side I went with China flags. So, nice little touch there. Keeping it simple. I don't think I'm going to do anything additional to it. I don't know, I like the kind of cleanish look. And so, I don't know, I might put some 135 type logo here or up here. I'm not sure. I'm just going to keep it black for a while because I kind of like the blacked out look. I will say, before I put the new graphics on and cleaned it up, this bike looks really good all blacked out. So that's it. Those are the new graphics. I don't think I'm going to do much else. I like the simple look. The only thing that I can think of is probably paint the calipers to get rid of any red. I didn't really like the black and red look, so might make those mint green to match the decals. We'll see. Or just black them out. I'm not sure. That'll be later on. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.